Hey everyone, so today I am back to share another How I Pack a Poshmark sale. I got some positive feedback from the last one that I made, so I figured since I'm about to send out another one, I would go ahead and share this with you guys. So I'll show you what I plan to use for this one, and I'm again pretty much just gonna go with the flow. So the first thing is a pair of scissors. I'm also going to use 3 different types of pens. I have a regular black gel pen. This is a brush pen from Tombow, and a Uniball Signo in white gel ink. So to wrap the planner, I'm going to go ahead and use some tissue paper. This is just some gold tissue paper. Kind of wanted to keep it with the same color scheme as the planner because it is black and gold. Then I'm going to use one of these small doilies, and this is in like a craft color. So to tape down the tissue paper, I'm going to use this cute washi tape that has gold paper clips on it. For my thank you card, I'm going to use this one here. This is from Heidlas. I got it in a package like a long time ago. It was on clearance. So it comes with this and a little clear envelope. Then I'll seal it with one of these thank you stickers that I got from Daiso. This is a tag that I plan to just pretty much write her name on it. Then I'm going to use these 2 little tiny clothespins so then I can hold everything together. But I'm going to tie it up first with some jute. And then the extras that I got, because like I mentioned, every time someone purchases something, I would add something little to their package. So I have these little, or not little, but bookmarks. You could just cut it down to size. So it's pretty much like page finders. And then I also picked up one of these sticker booklets that has a bunch of cute little designs and stuff. I plan to pack those little extras in this cellophane bag. This one has a no gusset, meaning there's no, it's pretty much flat. So I'm gonna use that, and I got these at Daiso. And then finally, I have the envelope, the packaging envelope. I couldn't find any cute ones that were big enough for her package, so I have to use a regular old Scotch mailer that I found at Target. And of course, I printed out her label as well here, and I'll be just sticking that onto the envelope. Alright you guys, so here's how it turned out. I'm debating if I want to bubble wrap it more because the mailing envelope, the bubble wrap isn't as thick. I mean, there's bubble wrap inside, but it's not as thick, so I might do that. So I thought I had the smaller bubble wraps, but that's okay. I'm gonna use this one. This is probably going to protect it even more. And you could get this pretty much anywhere. I got this at, I think it was Walmart. So here it is. Now I feel like it's more secure. When I fold the envelope, I don't like to just fold it right here where it's supposed to be. I like to pretty much fold it to where the item is at, so then it holds the item in place and it keeps it more secure. For this part right here, I'll usually tape it up with packaging tape, which I don't have right with me right now, but I'll definitely add that here so then it's like an extra like protection, so this won't open up or anything like that. So the final thing that I like to do is of course weigh this to make sure it's no more than 5 pounds, because the postage has up to 5 pounds for free. Otherwise you'd have to request for another label or pay extra. So this is just a scale that I have here. And I don't think you guys will be able to see the numbers, but it is 1 pound and 78 ounces. So perfect, definitely under. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this packaging video. Again, thank you so much for the kind comments from the last one that I made. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.